All right, we want to switch gears a little bit and check in with our meteorologist, Paul Deanno. He's here with your next weather forecast.
And throwing in a little bit of meteorology into this as well. We think about atmospheric pressure. There's pressure down on us. We talk about high pressure and low pressure all the time. That's the difference between about 30 inches of pressure per square inch on our body versus 29 inches of pressure on our body. That would be a huge change in pressure to our bodies. 30 to 29. When you get to that part of the ocean, you're talking tens of thousands of inches of pressure because of the weight of all of that water when you're talking about 2 miles down. So this is a very inhospitable environment where this happened. Here's a look at visible satellite imagery. We had lots of morning cloud cover, but unlike the past couple months, it burned off quickly. That is kind of typical June gloom. We've had atypical June gloom for seemingly forever. Now, back to normal June gloom, which is clouds for a couple hours, then it goes away. We get this. Sunshine downtown Los Angeles, currently 73 degrees. Got to show you this long term. We're talking next week and beyond for the first time in 2 months. We are forecast to be warmer than average, perhaps even hitting 80 degrees in LA. That sounds like a really low bar to set. Guess what? We haven't done it in 2 months. It was 2 months ago today, April 22nd, the last time that we hit 80 in downtown Los Angeles. We hit 79 yesterday as a point of reference. It felt great out, but it wasn't 80 degrees. We likely will get there next week. Another storm. We've had dozens of these passing by to the north because of the counterclockwise flow around it. We keep getting that onshore flow. So this is one final push of June gloom because all the long-range computer models have that storm track lifting to the north, this ridge of high pressure lifting just offshore from us, which will promote winds from the other direction, which means more sunshine and much warmer weather coming up beginning next week. For today, sunshine in the afternoon, sunshine through the evening, clear skies early in the overnight hours. Then the clouds will likely reform, but they should burn off in the afternoon, similar to what we're experiencing today. Same story on Saturday and same story on Sunday. Clouds in the morning, sunshine in the afternoon, temperatures running below average. But then after that, next week, we see more and more sunshine. So a pattern change, perhaps a prolonged pattern change to a sunnier pattern is likely to come next week. More on the extended outlooks, Amy, coming up in the next half hour.
Local news doesn't happen here.
It happens here.
And here.
Yeah, news happens here.
And we have you covered here.
Kcal 9 is now Kcal News.
CBS News Los Angeles, your local news, streaming wherever, whenever.